Welcome to Ball.io, and thanks very much for doing an interview today. So please tell us a bit about yourself and what you do.
My name is Baiju Shah. I work for a company called Digital Divide Data, and I own a startup, a fintech startup called ebiashara. My large legacy project is Oyster. I was chief architect.
Oh, great.
That's a little bit about me.
Okay, so tell us a bit more about your project.
My project, ebiashara, works on financial technology, building a platform for the largest commercial bank in East Africa, providing invoice discounting or reverse factoring services. And we onboard a lot of clients for the bank and run the platform. My digital divide data part of me is also very, very important. It provides the social responsibility side of what we do. When digital divide data picks up the underserved society, brings the youngsters from who have not been able to go to university to promote them into some sort of formal education. They can't afford to go to university, so they provide a lot of the funding for that, in soft loans, things like that. And bring these guys from just being not competent on the digital side into being fully trained as technical people. So we have about 2,500 people around the world working on content, tagging content for different companies, different corporates, also non-governmental organizations, and also have a full-blown cloud team, which is all certified in engineering capacity, based out of Nairobi, 1,000 out of Nairobi, rest in Cambodia, and also head office in New York.
Okay, great. And how did you first get interested in technology?
I went there by mistake. So when I was at university, I was going there to do management science, but I was told that I had to do pure science. And I looked through the list and I saw computer science. That sounds interesting. That many years ago. So that's how I got into computing. And then the Millennium bug got me some of my first pieces of work in the computing sector and then thereafter. It's just been interesting and gone into innovation, working for Bell Labs as well. At one point, of course, Oyster, the innovation around Oyster was super. So that motivated me.
And how do you see the future of blockchain developing over the next few years?
We're actually experimenting with blockchain at the moment, putting up some smart contracts. The whole thing around the transparency, the trust issue. Today, the trust is very, very key component. I don't even trust you interviewing me right now because I don't know what you're doing. Only you're very good at putting, so I definitely ask the question around where are you going to publish it, you know. Mm-hmm. If the trust issue was never there, then it would have been a lot easier to be open and flexible in providing information. Again, where is the information going to be used? So any control around that information is extremely important. If transparency comes in and control comes in, then that's where blockchain is going to progress quite a lot. So right now we're building smart contracts on our platform as well. Still experimenting.
Right. Okay, so you're building smart contracts on your platform then?
Yeah. So we have a tripartite which goes around a buyer, supplier, and the bank. Mm-hmm. So we're playing with that at the moment because you could do the legal structures, the privacy structures. So we're playing with block over a block, as you say. So there's the headers of the block, and then once the tripartite is the headers, the data is contained in separate blocks and shared with the different proprietors of information. So distributed computing component, we've done it through and through. So blockchain is a very nice way of saying there is a name to a technology.
Right.
Oyster is a distributed computing product.
Okay.
So each Oyster card is a block. You treat it as a block.
Right.
It's a single source of the truth.
Okay. Very wise words.